Hello everyone, in this video, I'll explain the updated 2026 Binance registration process step by step. If you sign up using the link below this video, you'll receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees along with bonus rewards, so be sure to use the link in the description. To begin, I'll walk you through the Binance sign-up process. If you click the link provided under the video, you'll be directed to the Binance registration page. On this page, you'll notice that a 20% trading fee discount and multiple bonus rewards are offered. You can sign up by entering your email address or your mobile phone number. After agreeing to the terms by checking the box, click Continue. Select the image that best matches the word on the left. Finally, verify your email address or mobile phone number. After that, choose a secure password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. If you see the referral code field, enter SKY333. When you enter this code, you can enjoy a 20% fee discount on Binance plus additional bonus rewards. That's why I strongly suggest entering it before you finish signing up. After completing this step, your account will be fully set up. Now, let's move on to how to complete KYC verification. You must complete identity verification to use peer-to-peer services, withdraw assets, and trade on Binance. As facial recognition is part of this process, we'll use a smartphone to continue. Make sure the Binance app is installed on your phone. Once the app has been installed, tap to open it. Use your newly created account to log in. Next, the app will take you directly to the identity verification screen. Select your nationality. I'll select India. And proceed with the verification process. Select one of the supported identity documents. Select passport as your verification method. Click Take Pictures to take a photo of your passport. Then click Continue. Make sure the passport information page fits within the frame, then capture a clear image. Check that the image is clear with no glare or shadows. After that, proceed to facial recognition verification. Position your face inside the camera frame, and follow the instructions shown on the screen. You have successfully completed identity verification. Following a review period of roughly 1 hour, the status will be updated to verified. Now, let's move on to setting up Google Authenticator. Now, return to the screen on your PC. Click Account in the left menu. Then select Security. We'll set up additional security using the Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. Now, complete the verification using your email or mobile phone. Next, you'll see a QR code pop-up appear. Please install the Google Authenticator application on your smartphone. Launch the Google Authenticator app, and tap the button at the bottom right. And select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will now appear in the Google Authenticator app. Click Next on the Binance PC screen. Input the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app into the designated field. Once this step is done, your Google Authenticator setup is finished. I walked you through the newest 2026 method for creating a Binance account step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching the video until the end.